Alright, just like any other video that we make, we're not professionals, but we're going to be putting up Hardie plank siding on the shed that we built. There's probably more efficient ways to do it, but this is how we did it. Now we've already installed the 1/4 inch
lath strip,
which is to keep your Hardie plank at a consistent angle. This is put at the base underneath this first piece that we've already installed. To aid us in the installation, we're also using these gecko gauges, and they are by far the best investment that we've made. Then we're also using this DeWalt nail gun. This thing could take down a rhino.
Since we already have the first piece installed, we're going to measure for the second. Remember that the manufacturer recommends 1/8 of an inch on each end, so take that into account when you're measuring. And once we have our measurement, going to cut to fit.
These little mechanisms just slide up and then lock into place.
And once we have the gecko gauges installed, we're going to pick up the next piece of Hardie plank. We're going to carry it over and slide it in from the top, and it's going to sit on the ledges on the gecko gauges. We then double check to make sure everything is sitting how we want it to, and then we nail it into place.
And then we pre-mark the studs so we know where to put the nails on the outside.
You can see me taking my time, and it's because this is the first time that we've done this, but you're supposed to keep the nails within 1 inch of the top of the Hardie plank. The gecko gauges are adjustable and can be used on different sizes of siding. When you are adjusting for your siding, ensure that you have the correct amount of overlap to hide the nail from the previously installed piece of siding.
Then you just move the gauges up to the next plank. When lifting these, you want to be super careful because they will snap.
And I say that because we learned the hard way.
Then you just keep repeating this process.
On the next video, I will show you how we install the Hardie plank around the window and the door.
20 volt XR nail gun. It's extremely powerful, so make sure that you have it on the correct settings for the job that you are doing.
Ow! Oh! Yes! That's awesome!